In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing text effect in Canva. This simple, eye-catching effect makes your message feel dynamic, like it's being typed live on screen. It's perfect for intros, announcements, tutorials, or any post where you want the text to draw immediate attention. The best part is, Canva has this built in, so you don't need any plugins or complicated timelines. Start by clicking on Text. On the left-hand toolbar, open the Text panel so you can add a text box to your design. If you don't see it at first glance, look for the icon with a large T, then open it to reveal your text options. Next, just add heading. Click the Add a Heading option to drop a large, clear text box onto your canvas. This size works great for the typing effect because each character is easy to see as it appears. Position it where you want by dragging it into place, and if you need to, resize it by pulling the corner handles. You can also choose a font and color from the top toolbar. Bold, clean fonts tend to showcase this effect best, but use whatever matches your brand. These style choices won't change the animation itself, they'll just help it read better on screen. Now, type what you want. Click inside the text box and enter your message exactly as you want it to appear. Short phrases or sentences usually look the most natural with a typewriter effect. If you're using multiple lines, consider breaking your message into clear, readable chunks so viewers can follow along as it types. Punctuation and capitalization can add emphasis, and a well-placed emoji or symbol can help too, as long as it fits your style. With your text ready, go to Animate. Make sure your text box is selected, then click the Animate button in the top toolbar. This opens the animation panel. You'll see options for text animations and, in some layouts, page animations. Stay on text animations so the effect applies to your selected text element rather than the entire page. Select Typewriter and play the video. Choose the typewriter animation to make your characters appear one by one in sequence. If you see a control for speed or intensity, adjust it so the typing pace matches the tone of your message. Fast for urgency, a bit slower for clarity. To preview how it looks in motion, click the play button at the top right and watch your text type itself across the screen. If anything feels off, tweak your wording, font size, or line breaks for better rhythm, then preview again. And that's all it takes. Click Text, add a heading, type your message, go to Animate, choose Typewriter, and press play to see it in action.